A box of weight W is pulled by a force P along a slope. The length of the slope is D. Okay. The frictional force between the force box and the slope is F. Diagram shows the direction of the forces. Okay, fine. The purpose of the slope is to raise the box vertically. So you need to raise it from here to here. Okay. Which expression gives the efficiency of the slope? See, efficiency. What is efficiency? Efficiency is equal to output by input. Now, what is output? Output is nothing but, okay, you had a box here, you need to lift it until here. So what is the energy that you require? mgh, right? mgh. But since you are lifting it like this, you are lifting it in this direction. Okay, you could have lifted it like this, easier way, but you are lifting it like this. What is the input that you are giving here? The input here is nothing but you applied a force P and you dragged it all the way along until D. Okay, which should now be force P multiplied by the distance D. Why force P into distance D? Because he is asking you, just a minute, okay, he is asking you what is the efficiency of the slope. So where you need not consider about the force over here, okay, F here, you need to only consider the applied force. So P into D. So what is this mg? Mg is nothing but W into H divided by P into D will give you the efficiency. W into H by P into D, answer is D. Okay.